my name is Lemise El-Shokani, and wow, can I just say I am so grateful I came across Christine Dahl and her amazing program called the Fashion Startup Intensive. I work in the health profession, so zero fashion background, zilch. I've always known though that my interest lies in fashion as it sparks my creativity, and I feel a genuine sense of excitement each time I tap into it. I spent endless hours and months in the past going through all these YouTube videos and reading articles, trying to teach myself the ins and outs of the field, but there was no structure and it just got overwhelming and I felt discouraged. After meeting Christine at an exhibit, my life became so much simpler. The program is a wealth of information that's presented in a way that's practical, efficient, resourceful, encouraging, and very inspiring. I found it particularly helpful to get advice on how to plan the timeline of each step, and I really appreciated all the tips provided with regards to digital marketing, fabric sourcing, hiring a sample or a pattern maker, and then every part of the production process. I also love having access to the private Facebook group where I can ask questions and learn from other people's insights and experiences. The preferred vendor list is also a bonus, especially here in New York where there's so many vendor options out there. So it's assuring to know that Christine has gone through the vetting process to give us a compilation of trustworthy vendor options. Christine knows her stuff, no joke. She has so much experience and is very well connected in the industry. She's someone you definitely want to get in touch with if you're interested in starting a fashion line, because she has so much to offer. Overall, the Fashion Startup Intensive was so well worth the investment for me, and especially because I have lifetime access to all its resources. Win, 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 all the wins. Thank you, Fashion Angel Warrior, for everything. I don't know how many smiles and peace of mind I would have sacrificed if it wasn't for finding you. Thank you.